have a Motronic CNC vertical mill, model RH25, serial number 6251. Machine was new in 2000. We're going to run her for you. Machine has a Centurion 6 control, a big table, 63 by 20, with 50 inches in the X travel, 30 in the Y, and 24 in the Z. It's a 40 taper spindle with 6,000 RPM. 2,500 RPM. Running now. 3,500 RPM. 5,000. Okay. Again, goes up to 6. 5,000's up there. Moving the X. Again, it's a 63 by 20 inch table with 50 inches of X travel. That's your Y. And there's your Z. So again, you have 30 inches of Y and 24 inch Z. All right, again, conversational and G&M code programming on the Centurion 6. Hey, thank you for watching our video.